Hello loves, welcome to Unique Mix by Christina. Today I have a office supply haul of goodies. Yay! So let's go ahead and check it out and see what I bought. Okay, the first thing I would like to share with you is this sunshine and lemonade. I saw this paper kit and I was like, OMG, I could use me a glass of lemonade. But yeah, this is a 12 by 12 cardstock. It has 12 designs. It does have one sheet of pre-punch doilies, one fussy cut sheet, and one sheet of journaling cards, which you can see on the top above. Look at that. That is pretty. So let's go ahead and check this out. Let me get my glasses so that I can see. Wow, this is a pretty paper. Look at that. Let's look at this paper pad. I'm not sure if this is a new pad or this is an old one that they were selling on. It's new to me, so this is the first time that I'm seeing it. Okay, so this is the first sheet, and this is actually pretty solid. Okay, so that goes the cover. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that yellow polka dot. Okay, so it's single sheet, single sided, I mean. Look at that. You got the lemons and the limes. Yum, yum, yum. Oh wow, hello. Look at that. Hello, sunshine. Look how pretty that is. Beautiful. You got the little doodles. I love the doodles. Oh, look at this one. Oh wow, how cute is he? Look at the cutie patootie. Gorgeous. And then you just got the flowers. Gorgeous. And I like this one too. Look at that. I love the flowers. I love the distressed look. This is a really pretty cardstock. And then you have the yellow with the flowers. Oh, here we go, some summery stuff. You got pineapples, lemon, popsicles. You are my sunshine. The flamingos. I love flamingos. You even got some flip-flops, or like I like to call it chanclas. Beautiful. Oh wow. This is the doilies, and they do pop out. Now how would that look on a rosette? That one says hello sunshine, sweet as lemonade, sending you sunshine. You are my that's a tongue twister. You are my sunshine on a cloudy day. You are my sunshine. Love it. And then you got some journaling cards. Yeah, fun in the sun. When life hands you lemons, make lemonade. Amen. Sending you sunshine. Sending love and hugs. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. And then here goes your, like the stickers. Or the ephemera. No, this is the ephemera. Look at that. Love that. Love, love, love. So that's actually a real pretty kit. That's a cute kit right here. So I got that one. So I also hauled it in a 6x6, which is the same stuff, except this doesn't come with the doilies nor the journaling cards, but it's the same thing, so I won't show that one. From Cutie Pie, I hauled this cute Valentine stamp. I thought this was so cute. Look at that. So it got the gumball machine with little cherries. It does says love. You got XO, heart balloons. Love that. I saw that. Had to have that. And look at this. Oh wow, that is beautiful. Let me give you a close up. But it's from Cutie Pie, and there's some heart jemmies. Look at that. That's so nice. I'm gonna have to get some more. You know me. Now this goes with the kit, and I did haul 2 so that I have an extra, but this is the ephemera pieces, and you do get 82. Look at that. Can I open it on this side? Yeah, I won't open it. But look at that, that's what you get inside. Oh, that's real cute. And they do have some glitter. I do love glitter. Glitter, glitter, glitter. Okay, this one is embellishments, and this is called Peppermint Kisses. This is a Christmas one. I wanted it for my stash for next year. And this is from American Crafts. Look at that. And you get ephemera, and you do get like journaling. You do get some sentiments in here. And you get 50 pieces. Look at that. Love it. Love, love, love. Okay, from Paige Evans, I got Happy Heaven. And you get 69 pieces and ephemera pack. And look at how pretty all those flowers are. Actually, I could show you these. These are easier to open. Let me show you the back. And let's look at some of these. And there, so you got some pretty flowers. Look at that. And these are a really great size. Look at that. My crafting time, I usually craft during Halloween all the way till Valentine. I don't do a lot of paper crafting on Easter or summer. So I decided this year I will. I usually do my beads and my phone charms and whatnot. So this year I'm going to try to get into some summer swaps. But yeah, look how pretty all of these are. Oh wow, look at that one. A strawberry plant. Yeah, beautiful. And this one, like I said, you get 69 pieces. So I got that one. And then I have another Paige Evans. This one is 50 pieces, and they're flowers and stems. And this one comes in that one. And this is Blooming Wild. Look at that. So pretty. So, so, so pretty. And this one here, you get 69 pieces. Oh wow, look how pretty that is. From Rainbow Avenue, is that what it says? But yeah, look at that. It screams spring. Beautiful. And this, you got a lot of you got little houses, bikes, you got tags, frames. Beautiful. Love it. Got those. And then another one I have here is Pebbles. And this is Cool Girl. Look at how the cuties for that. Oh, I love the swan. The cherry, the rainbows, you got all kinds of stuff. Look at that. And they got cute faces. Love this. And you get 64 pieces on that. And then this one has 50 pieces on there. I thought this was real pretty. Look at that. This is a chic, almost like a chic look. It's from Gingham Garden. Look at that. Oh, so that is so pretty. Love, love, love. Love it. And then the next one is Bold and Bright. And this one you get 62 pieces, and there's more flowers and sentiments. But look at that. Oh wow, I love the hello. That's a bubble gum. That screams, it screams summer. Yay. And then I have another Paige Evans, and this one you have 75. And look at that, more flowers, summer flowers. I do love this because it reminds me of Florida. And I love, love, love Florida. Look at that. Beautiful. And the last thing I hauled is I already hauled this one? No. Another flower one, and this is 75 pieces of ephemera. And you get, look at all those pastel flowers. Love it. This would be good for Easter and spring. Love that. Yeah, love that. So I think this is actually, no, I bought from Office Supply, but I'll buy like one thing here. Like I bought some tools and stuff from there, like crafting stuff. This is my first actual paper craft haul from them. Yeah, this was actually a good deal. I think I have another one coming in soon. If you haven't been to officesupply.com, I recommend that you go check it out, because they do have a lot of cute things in there, and I do love the stuff. They got all kinds of stuff. They got office stuff. They got all kinds. I've been buying from Office Supply for a while, but I'll buy a few things here and there. Nothing too big. So this is the actual first craft. Well, not really the first crafting, but first crafting that's like paper crafts. I do buy other stuff from there. But yeah, I do like this shop. So make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know some of the goodies you've been finding. Hit the subscribe if you haven't, because I do a lot of hauls, and I do share a lot of budget friendly deals for you, and I do tutorials and all kinds of stuff. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, hit the notifications so you know when I do upload a video, and leave a comment below so I know. Leave a comment below and let me know what you've been finding on officesupply.com. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.